Finding a job or doing a business is very similar to dating.
I think within 2 to 3 days of the job getting posted, if you apply, you get the first mover's advantage. Right?
One day I apply to 50 jobs, then I disappear for 10 days. 5 episodes, 5 employees, 5 industry experts. Real career challenges, real solutions.
So before it reaches the recruiter, it goes to the ATS
first. It's a 6-second
Right.
scan generally, just 6 seconds. On an average, a recruiter is only spending 3 to 5 seconds on a resume. So that's
Right.
the window you have to hook them in. This is the Naukri AI resume maker. Go to tools like these
Exactly.
and keep changing your profile summary or your skills as per each resume. Just tweak a few sections
Right.
and everything else will be done by the tool.
Right.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the Dhairya Decodes YouTube channel. Naukri 360 presents करियर का कंट्रोल रूम. ये एक ऐसी सीरीज है जिसमें हम आपके लिए लाएंगे रियल लोगों की रियल प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू देयर जॉब सर्च, इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस, रेज्यूमेज और एनीथिंग एल्स रिलेटेड टू जस्ट बीइंग अ जॉब सीकर इन टुडेज जॉब मार्केट. इस सीरीज में हम जुड़ेंगे हर एपिसोड में एक नए एक्सपर्ट या क्रिएटर के साथ जो कि करियर, टेक या एआई की फील्ड से होंगे एंड हमारे साथ आप ही जैसे कैंडिडेट्स होंगे जो कि एक्चुअल में जॉब मार्केट में अपने लिए एक बेटर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी ढूंढ रहे हैं या अपना रेज्यूमे प्रिपेयर करने में स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं या उन्हें इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस में कोई डिफिकल्टी आ रही है. इन एपिसोड्स के थ्रू हम चाहते हैं दैट वी आर एबल टू सॉल्व ऑल योर जॉब रिलेटेड एंड प्रोसेस रिलेटेड क्वेरीज. And in today's episode, we are going to be joined by our expert and very dear friend, Hina Arora. Hina is someone who comes with 10 plus years of experience in the AI career and tech niche. She is someone who has herself been in the corporate world and she was working with companies like Jio, Byju's and Go Mechanic in the past. Today, she is an entrepreneur and a creator. She runs a company called Brand Builders where she helps engineering managers, tech CTOs, and folks in the tech space build authority and influence through their strong personal brands. And they've been helping more than 35 plus clients with the same. She's also a content creator with more than 500K plus followers across social media platforms. The candidate जो हमारे साथ इस एपिसोड में जुड़ रही हैं, she is Bhavya Verma. She is also a podcast host and she is also someone who provides services in the video editing space. However, उनकी मेन प्रॉब्लम इस एपिसोड में ये है कि उनका जो रेज्यूमे है that is not curated and customized the way it should be, and we are going to try and help Bhavya be able to build a resume that gets her hired, is ATS friendly, is liked by recruiters and is relevant to the job market in 2026. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's episode of Naukri 360 presents Career Ka Control Room. जैसे कि आप सबको पता है, आज के एपिसोड में हम मेजरली फोकस करने वाले हैं ऑन रेज्यूमेज. और मुझे पता है बहुत सारे लोगों की ये स्ट्रगल या प्रॉब्लम होती है कि उन्हें लगता है कि उनका रेज्यूमे शायद देखा ही नहीं जा रहा है और इट्स नॉट सीन एंड दे फील दैट मे बी उनके पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है इसलिए उनका रेज्यूमे नहीं देखा जा रहा है. बट ही ना, आई नो आपको और मुझे दोनों को पता है कि इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज जस्ट यू डोंट हैव एक्सपीरियंस एंड हेंस योर रेज्यूमे इज नॉट बीइंग सीन. इट कुड बी दैट यू आर नॉट प्रेजेंटिंग योर रेज्यूमे द राइट वे और योर रेज्यूमे इज नॉट इवन गेटिंग रेड क्योंकि ATS सिस्टम्स होते हैं एंड देर आर सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स एट द बैक एंड जिसकी वजह से आपका रेज्यूमे रिजेक्ट हो रहा होगा. शुरुआत करते हैं हम भव्या से ये पूछ के. भव्या, आज की डेट में राइट नाउ व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द बिगेस्ट पेन पॉइंट और प्रॉब्लम इन योर रेज्यूमे करंटली?
So I know for a fact that I'm a very qualified candidate. I have experience in script writing. I have all the qualifications needed for a social media manager and the relevant experience. And I know for a fact that people are viewing my application. Sometimes I do get notifications wherever I apply, application viewed or recruiter has seen your resume. But then from there on, I just hear silence. Now I just don't understand what am I doing wrong. But then nothing happens from there onward. And even if I have the right qualifications, I don't know what's stopping it.
Got it.
Yeah.
That's majorly the problem.
Yes.
हिना, आपको क्या लगता है what could be going wrong with Bhavya's resume and why is this happening with her?
Okay, so before anything, I would love to ask few questions from you because I would love to understand a little bit more about you before helping you. When you are applying for a job, how you have created your resume, which platform are you using, right? And for applying, which platform are you using?
So I've made a very because I'm from a social media manager background, I've made a very good looking aesthetic resume which completely reflects my personality. I've used Canva for it. Canva has a lot of really nice templates. I've used many colors and different fonts. I feel like that is very important because it shows just how creative I am.
And have you heard about something called ATS?
No, I don't know what that is.
Okay, so I'll explain you in a very simple way. Whenever you're applying for a job, so there's a JD. Do you know about that?
Yeah, job description. Yeah.
On job description mein you might have seen कि there are few skills mentioned. They are looking for someone who has those kind of experience, those kind of skills. And when it gets compared with another paper which is called resume, it actually compares the list. It actually compares कि अगर मान लो मैं ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर के लिए हायरिंग कर रही हूँ और आपके रिज्यूमे में वो सारे स्किल्स मेंशन नहीं है जिसके लिए मुझे हायरिंग करनी है.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल टूल हमारा अडोब फोटोशॉप एक
Right.
ग्राफिक डिजाइनर को आना चाहिए. वो लिखा है जीडी में.
वो जेडी में मेंशन है बट आपके में वो मेंशन नहीं है. राइट. कैनवा के लिए वी आर हायरिंग बट अब वो आपके प्रोफाइल पे मेंशन नहीं है. सो पहला तो आपका जो रिज्यूमे है वहीं पे शॉर्टलिस्ट मतलब वहीं पे रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा.
Okay.
ठीक है. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर अ जॉब, हैव यू एवर सीन कि जो आपका रिज्यूमे है वो कितना जेडी से मैच कर रहा है?
No, I felt like that didn't matter because if I'm applying for a social media manager role and I have worked as a social media manager before, I thought that itself would be enough.
बट वो सामने वाले को कैसे पता चलेगा? वो उस सिस्टम को कैसे पता चलेगा जो ATS सिस्टम है?
Because it's not just a human being. One big mistake I think conception ये भी होता ही ना, लोगों को लगता है ऑडियंस में भी जितने भी जॉब सीकर्स हैं उन्हें लगता है the first instance of my resume being seen is the human eye. It's not a recruiter.
So ATS
It's
जो हम
the
बात
ATS.
कर रहे हैं वो एक सिस्टम है, वो एक कंप्यूटर है, वो एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है, बेसिकली प्रोग्राम्ड सिस्टम है. राइट.
और वो पैटर्न्स पे वर्क करता है.
Exactly.
फीड किया है उसको.
So before it reaches the recruiter, it
It
goes to the ATS
first. It's a 6-second scan generally, just 6 seconds.
Okay.
And then your
Okay.
resume is either accepted or rejected right there.
राइट.
Okay.
And it not only compares the skill. This is just an example which I have given. But let's say जहाँ पे requirement है कि 2 years experience होना चाहिए. आप fresher हो, आपने अप्लाई किया, रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा. So it also catches all those things as well.
Yes.
वहाँ पे एक particular let's say जिसके लिए भी hiring हो रही है वहाँ पे they want someone who has more leadership skills. But आपने वो चीज़ अपने रिज्यूमे में कहीं भी showcase ही नहीं किया है. मे बी आपके पास वो होगी बट आपने रिज्यूमे में नहीं शोकेस किया. इन दैट केस अगेन इट विल गेट रिजेक्टेड. अब आपने अपने रिज्यूमे में लेट्स से बता दिया कि ठीक है आई हैव हैंडल्ड अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक लिंक्डइन, इंस्टाग्राम, ये सारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म हैंडल किए हैं. बट उसके बाद क्या, उसका रिजल्ट क्या था, आपने उसमें क्या क्या चीजें की हैं? अचीव से पहले कि आपने उसमें किया क्या क्या है. आपने कॉपी राइटिंग की है, आपने घोस्ट राइटिंग की है, आपने एनालिटिक्स किया है, आपने हाउ यू हैव हेल्प दैट पर्सन, राइट, जिसके लिए भी आपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडलिंग की है. क्या वो सारी चीजें मेंशन है पॉइंटर्स वाइज? क्या इट इज विजिबल टू द पर्सन? Right?
Yeah.
So I just thought because I spoke to my friends and they said ki the shorter a resume the better. Don't mention all the details because then it'll get too long.
Even if you go by Naukri Insights, on an average a recruiter is only spending 3 to 5 seconds on a resume. So that's
Right.
the window you have to hook them in out of hundreds of applications. Right?
That's quite
Right.
short.
And you have mentioned a very good point कि सब लोग कहते हैं कि रिज्यूमे बहुत छोटा होना चाहिए, 1 पेज का, 1.5 पेज का, मैक्सिमम 2 पेज का.
Yeah.
You having more than 10 years of experience.
Yeah.
तब आपका 2 पेज का होना चाहिए. अब इस चीज को कैसे अचीव करें?
Yeah.
राइट. सो नाउ लेट्स से यू आर अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, आपने पॉडकास्ट भी हैंडल किए हैं, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट भी किया है, मल्टीपल थिंग्स किया है. बट लेट्स से जहाँ पे आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो they are hiring for graphic designing role.
Yeah.
In that case, you just need to mention all the things which are related
Relevant
to graphic designing.
Yeah.
Right? आपका target role क्या है? उसके according you need to mention or you need to create your resume.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're saying that if, for example, I've worked in a very good company and I had a different role there, but I made a decision कि I'll just apply to something else. I still feel like I have an interest in it, but while I'm applying for it, I shouldn't mention anything that is not relevant to that.
Not relevant, and you should not highlight that.
Okay.
So the
ठीक है?
positioning of it can change. It
Right.
should not be right on top in your experience section. The
Okay.
first thing you add on your experience section should be a graphic designing relevant role or experience or internship or certification.
Right.
Rather than something in content marketing or digital marketing that you've done. That can come at a lower end in your
Right.
experience only. So it's also
Okay.
about what you are highlighting and positioning, like Hina said.
Exactly.
Okay, okay.
You might have heard कि हम लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि आप जब भी अप्लाई कर रहे हो एक पर्टिकुलर रोल के लिए उसके लिए रिज्यूमे क्रिएट करो, राइट?
Okay.
Customize करो.
कस्टमाइज करो. दैट इज द वर्ड दैट यू माइट हैव हर्ड. अब कस्टमाइजेशन करने का ही मतलब यही है कि आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज्यादा है, आपने मल्टीपल चीजें की हैं, बट उस रोल के लिए क्या चीजें रेलेवेंट है वो मैटर करता है.
But then this would mean कि for every role I'm making a new resume.
यस,
But that would take ages. I mean, I have
I agree.
a lot of things to do. I have a full-time job, and suppose I'm applying. I have applied to say 100 jobs right now. So I have to create 100 new resumes for each job.
नॉट
No.
100 बट यू कैन कैटेगराइज देम.
Yeah.
आप 100 डिफरेंट रोल्स के लिए नहीं अप्लाई कर रहे होगे.
No, and also Hina, वो जो कह रही है, you're right. 100 तो वैसे भी नहीं बनाने होते. हमने भी कौन से 100
वही.
resumes का भी, but you'll have to tweak some things, and also today there are tools which we'll come to. There are ways that you can save time. We are in a
Exactly.
new age digital era.
Right.
We'll obviously help you with the solution eventually. But now that we know a little bit about her profile,
हाँ,
let's try and understand कि भव्या की profile में actual में what's going wrong. Is it the resume
Right.
structure?
हाँ.
Is it the resume bullet points? Is it the way she's presenting it? Or
हाँ.
is it something else?
Correct,
वो decode
correct.
करते हैं हम, है ना?
Absolutely.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure.
Perfect. So I think it's time for us to get into the resume diagnosis section where we will figure out why is it that most resumes don't convert or क्यों लोगों के resume select नहीं होते हैं. We have Bhavya's resume right in front of us. I'm sure all of you can see it as well. Hina, let's start एक एक करके. We'll just skim through her resume and let's try and share what she can improve and do better.
right. I'll start with very basic thing. ठीक है. This picture, first of all, right? This is a selfie which we are clicking over here, and this is not a professional photo
At all.
at all, and we cannot have this kind of a photo on a resume,
Okay.
right? Because आप एक professional प्रोफाइल के लिए यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर रहे हो. यू नॉट अप्लाइंग फॉर मॉडलिंग, यू नॉट अप्लाइंग फॉर बीइंग एन इन्फ्लुएंसर. उसका पोर्टफोलियो अलग बनता है.
Yeah.
इधर आप सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, देन यू शुड हैव काइंड ऑफ अ प्रोफेशनल फोटो.
Yeah, and while she might think it's social media, so maybe it should be quirky and you should show your social side. But yeah, fortunately, unfortunately, on a resume, you have to look as professional as possible.
Right.
We're not saying you have to be in a blazer with a tie or a coat or stuff like that. But you need to be dressed professionally, and it should ideally be a passport size photograph where you're looking straight into the camera and not a selfie.
राइट.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I also feel your title under your name says manager and social media manager. That's very vague. Firstly, with someone who has 2 years of experience, which is what you have, you can't become a manager. Probably you can't even become an assistant manager, technically. And you cannot be a manager and a social media manager, right? It should just be one distinct role that you're targeting. Very specific. Social media manager आना चाहिए, या तो सिर्फ digital marketer आना चाहिए, या just whatever the role is.
Right,
Community manager, whatever. It should be very
Performance
specific.
marketer,
Performance
yeah.
marketer, whatever.
Yeah.
Just the targeted role. Yeah.
Another thing I would love to highlight, you have mentioned in the contact the phone number and only WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Now
all
you want
professional.
people to reach to you, right? अगर आप उनको वहीं पर restrict कर दोगे कि मुझे सिर्फ WhatsApp करना, you don't need to call me, मुझे reach out करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Why a recruiter will put extra effort to WhatsApp you?
No, and I also feel it's not very professional to give your WhatsApp number to a recruiter.
Exactly, right.
Okay.
Texting on WhatsApp or reaching out for a job offer on WhatsApp is not the ideal platform
Right.
or touch point.
ठीक है?
And उनका जो email ID है वो भी ज़्यादा professional हो
नहीं
सकता
है.
है. It's
Right.
not professional.
Right.
It's a very vague.
Email ID. Why does that matter?
It matters because they will reach out to you mostly on your email ID. And like I said, a recruiter won't WhatsApp you. A recruiter will ideally reply to you on mail, max to max call you. And
Okay.
when they see what is 16 VHAY, it doesn't even have your name.
हाँ.
Very vague email ID, which may even look like an inappropriate or a spam email. It's not even
Exactly.
looking genuine.
Okay.
Yeah.
राइट? सो अनदर थिंग, इसके अलावा आई थिंक देयर आर फ्यू मोर थिंग्स जो मुझे हाईलाइट करनी है.
हाँ.
फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम प्रोफाइल की भी बात करें या समरी सेक्शन की भी बात करें, यू हैव मेंशन कि 2 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस है. पहली बात तो यहाँ पे हाय आई एम भव्या वर्मा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं
not
है.
needed.
ठीक है. सेकेंड इज यू हैव हाईलाइटेड कि आपको 2 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस है. ये है इन सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट, राइट? You have not mentioned the platforms you have worked on. Let's say I am hiring for YouTube, right? And आपका रिज्यूमे मेरे पास आता है, and then मेरे पास एक और रिज्यूमे है जिसमें प्रॉपरली लिखा है कि that person has actually managed the YouTube.
Has managed YouTube, Instagram, scaled from X followers to that,
Right.
created or helped them post X number of videos or content.
राइट.
Because-
तो वहीं पे मैं या कोई भी आपका रिज्यूमे साइड कर देगा,
Right.
क्योंकि क्लैरिटी ही नहीं मिल
नहीं
रही
है.
है.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
Right.
And
okay.
also data point कुछ भी नहीं है. There is no numeric capability. Also very generic. I'm super organized, proactive, and always ready to take initiative. The most generic line you can find on anybody's resume. हर दूसरा इंसान बोल सकता है मैं proactive हूँ,
Right.
मैं enthusiastic हूँ.
हाँ.
Jargons जितना हो सके avoid and be more specific to the role, what you bring and what you have to offer.
एग्जैक्टली.
Okay.
राइट.
मुझे ये भी लगता है हिना की skills बहुत ज्यादा है.
इसके
Very overwhelming.
बहुत ज्यादा
बहुत
भी
ज्यादा
है. राइट. एंड एज वी मेंशन इन द वेरी स्टार्टिंग कि आप जिस पर्टिकुलर रोल के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो ना,
हाँ.
उसके लिए आपको स्किल्स डालनी है.
Correct,
टारगेटेड
targeted
रोल
role.
के लिए.
इसमें
यहाँ
बहुत
पे
सारी बिना
सब
वजह
कुछ
की
है.
है.
Right.
Rods and stones management. I think you've put the courses you've done somewhere. Deadline management, trends and analytics tracking is fine. Core brand management and scraping.
And I can see a spelling mistake as
Yes,
well.
yes.
Highlight, मतलब let me know. Notion and
And
Trello.
Trello.
It is actually Trello.
Trello.
So
The Trello app, which is your project management app that people use, it's not Trello,
it's
it's
a very
Trello.
small mistake.
Small mistake, yeah.
बट आपका ATS जो है वो उस चीज को रीड नहीं करेगा एंड देन वहां जो स्कोर देना है उसको +1 स्कोर
You
देना था
won't get
वो
any.
0 हो
Yeah.
जाएगा.
The score for that keyword will always come up to 0. Let's say a JD actually needs you to know Notion and Trello. The Trello keyword will never get picked across ATS systems on the internet, on any job portal, right?
Okay.
Right? So also your languages section, when I'm sure everyone can see, the format, like I said, is not compliant, and the languages section is cutting through your skills and overlap ho raha hai wo, which is looking very shabby.
Right.
And I also feel you never need to mention your hobbies in a resume, not the right place.
Right.
When you're introducing yourself or the hiring manager asks you what are things outside of work that interest you or things that you enjoy doing apart from work, that's when you can talk about your hobbies. But nobody wants to know that you like going to temples and you know what your hobbies are
Right.
on a resume.
Okay.
एक चीज और हाईलाइट करूंगी, वो इस रिज्यूमे में नहीं है बट काफी लोग के रिज्यूमे में मैंने देखा है लोग अपनी पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन डालते
हाँ,
हैं.
हाँ.
अपने फादर का नेम, डेट, प्लेस,
अरे ये भी लिखते हैं if they're married or not, single,
स्टेटस.
and their complete address.
उसकी जरूरत नहीं
With the
है.
block number, flat number, you don't have to give, just the city is enough. You have just mentioned the city.
Right.
But a lot of people tend to give over information,
हाँ.
especially on the personal side, which is not needed
Not
on a resume.
required. Right.
Okay.
Just one last thing, Hina, any feedback you have on her pointers, bullet points in the experience section?
So, generally, whenever we write about our experience, तो आपको दिखाना है कि what was the outcome of it, what was the result of it, what was the achievement. It's not only कि मैंने 50 paid collaboration handle किए थे या manage किए हैं, उसका outcome क्या था, right? When you have handled a lifestyle, let's say brand, तो brand को क्या फायदा हुआ, आपने कितने इन्फ्लुएंसर से बात करी, उसके बाद रेवेन्यू क्या जनरेट हुआ, आपने कितने लोगों की टीम मैनेज करी.
Correct.
वो सारी चीजें हाईलाइट करना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है rather than just saying कि I have handled 50+ paid collaboration, right? So what was the outcome of it, right? With what skills, right? And जहाँ पे भी आप हाईलाइट कर सकते हो with the stats, with percentage, with numbers, do that
Yeah.
because that is a
Okay.
proof that you are showcasing.
But wouldn't that make my resume too long?
नहीं,
No, not at all.
पहली
Yeah.
बार
And
when
also
we will
2 पेज
follow.
तक तो इजीली आप, दिस इज जस्ट अ मिथ कि 1 पेज का होगा तो ही आप सेलेक्ट होगे. हु इज गारंटिंग यू ऑन द इंटरनेट कि 1 पेजर resumes don't get rejected? Are you telling me all 1 pager resumes get selected? No. And do all 2 pager resumes get rejected? No. relevant resumes get selected. Yes, and you should stay within the 2-pager limit. I don't think it should go to 3 pages, but it should showcase the actual information needed in a proper ATS compliant format.
Right.
That's readable.
राइट एंड ऑब्वियसली देखो अभी इस रिज्यूमे में ना बहुत ज्यादा वाइड स्पेस है,
हाँ.
ठीक है. यहाँ पे आपने जो ऊपर का सेक्शन लिया लाइक 20% और 25% वो बस फोटो में और आपके
और
नेम
उसमें
में जा
कवर
रहा
हो रहा
है.
है, बहुत
Right?
इन्फॉर्मेशन आ सकती है.
वहाँ पे ही आप अपना नेम ऐड कर सकते हो, देन आपका जो भी प्रोफाइल है, देन कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स भी वहीं आ सकती है. अगर आपने अपना पोर्टफोलियो क्रिएट किया बिकॉज यू आर सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर, तो आप उसको वहाँ हाईलाइट कर सकते
can
हो.
add the
यू
link
कैन
to
ऐड
it.
योर लिंक
हाँ.
ओवर देयर. ठीक है, ये सारी चीज एक लाइन में आ जाती हैं.
Okay.
राइट. एंड देन उसके बाद आपका एक्सपीरियंस या समरी स्टार्ट होता है. देन आपका एक्सपीरियंस सेक्शन. अगर लेट्स से आप फ्रेशर हो, राइट, एंड आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, आपने कोई इंटर्नशिप भी नहीं की है, तो एटलीस्ट ऐड योर प्रोजेक्ट्स
Projects, yeah.
Okay.
Or certifications.
और सर्टिफिकेशन.
Also, as a social media
Right.
manager, if you've done any kind of a certification, in fact, from a social platform, if at all,
हाँ.
even if it was a free course,
हाँ.
or you did something on Coursera, anywhere, whatever it is, you should have a certification section also, I feel.
एग्जैक्टली. हाँ.
Because real experience आपके पास सिर्फ एक है, right? You've just done one job, is what it shows.
Yeah.
So why not add other real-time experiences also to just strengthen your profile?
राइट.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think बाकी तो
एंड अनदर थिंग फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोफाइल 2024 से लेकर 2026 तक का गैप है,
yes.
राइट. यहाँ पे 2 साल का गैप दिख रहा है. आपने उन 2 साल में क्या किया है? हैव यू लर्न समथिंग? अपस्किलिंग की है? छोटे मोटे प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं?
Yeah, so she was doing freelancing.
Freelancing,
but
yeah.
वही freelancers generally add ही नहीं करते हैं resume पे.
You need to add.
Like
आप
now
उसको
she's
as a project-
freelancing, she's not added that.
I didn't want to hurt my chances of getting a full-time job by saying कि I have freelanced because कुछ recruiters को ये होता है
Mind,
दिमाग में कि she's moonlighting or she might do it. So I didn't want to hurt my chances. That's why I didn't mention.
But you have the answer कि ये 2 साल का गैप कहाँ है? मतलब आपने क्या किया इन 2 साल में? You need to be, ready with that answer.
Yeah,
as well.
then if you don't want to put it at all, you will be questioned on it for sure in the interview.
Right.
इससे तो अच्छा यही है कि आप in fact अपनी जो दूसरी additional skills, because in this resume, I don't know, you're also a script writer, you also know video editing, you also host a podcast, but you've done all of that in these 2 years.
Yeah,
Which
I
could have
have.
been showcased really, again, when Hina ने जो example दिया, I'll apply it right here. सबसे ऊपर आप यही अपना एक्सपीरियंस रखो, बट उसके नीचे आप अपना फ्रीलांसिंग एक्सपीरियंस ऐड कर सकते थे, बिकॉज यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट रोल्स. ये ऊपर रहेगा, बट उसके नीचे फ्रीलांसिंग वाला करंट एक्सपीरियंस आना चाहिए, सो दैट दे नो यू आल्सो हैव अदर स्किल्स दैट दे कैन यूटिलाइज.
Okay.
तो हिना, अब हमने भव्या का रेज्यूमे तो रिव्यू कर लिया है.
हाँ.
आई एम श्योर भव्या हैज फाउंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट शी कैन चेंज एंड वर्क ऑन, एंड दिस वुड हैव हेल्प्ड आवर ऑडियंस आल्सो.
Yeah.
उससे एक चीज क्लियर हुई है दैट इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज अबाउट हैविंग इनफ स्किल्स एंड यू फीलिंग कि मैंने सब कर लिया है. इट्स अबाउट पोजिशनिंग. अगर आपने सब किया हुआ है पर वो रेज्यूमे पे सही तरीके से पोजिशन नहीं है, देन नथिंग इज ऑफ यूज. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट द राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन एट द राइट प्लेस इज देयर ऑन योर रेज्यूमे. सो प्लीज अपने रेज्यूमे के सारे सेक्शंस अपडेटेड रखो, रेलेवेंट रखो, अचीवमेंट्स दिखाओ, रिजल्ट ड्रिवन बनाओ, एंड मेक इट ATS compliant, right? Now, with that, we're going to move on to a very fun segment of the show, Hina and Bhavya. I am really excited for this, but for this, we'll be switching positions because Hina and Bhavya will be playing the game, and I'll obviously be hosting you guys. This is our gamified segment.
Okay.
And today's game is going to be a resume glow up or a resume roast game that we are going to play. Right?
Oh.
So let's quickly segue into that segment and let's switch positions.
Awesome.
Yeah? Okay, so this is the favorite part of my show, and we have entered the gamified segment. And in this episode, Hina and Bhavya, we're going to be playing a this or that resume edition game. And the rules are very simple. I'm going to be giving you a statement or a scenario or something very common that job seekers do in their job search process. आपको बताना है, आप दोनों को, one by one, would you rather do this or that and why? Right? Okay, so the first question that I have for Hina and Bhavya is that would you rather go ahead and apply to just 5 roles with a very specific customized resume, or send the same resume but to 100 jobs?
Send the same resume to 100 jobs because I feel like all of my information is in that one resume. So
Okay. So the
Okay.
first resume जिसमें आपकी सारी information है, we usually call it master resume, जिसमें आप अपनी सारी information रखते हो. And जब आप एक particular role के लिए apply करते हो, then apply for that role. So always customize your resume before applying.
So the second question that I have for the two of you is, would you go ahead and send a resume which is just 1 page long but may not be as specific to the company but it's matching the length, or you'll send a 2-page resume which is extremely dedicated and relevant to a particular job profile?
So as you guys pointed out earlier, that length is not an issue.
Yeah.
And it should be relevant in terms of skills and my work ex, whatever I'm applying for.
Yeah.
So earlier it would have been a 1-pager, but now I think I'll go with a 2-pager. I don't think length
That's great, Hina. Your advice is being listened to.
Yeah, I'm glad कि आप समझ रहे हो, आप सब ये चीज़ को समझ रहे हो कि आपका जो रिज्यूमे है दैट शुड हैव मोर रेलिवेंट एक्सपीरियंस rather than कि आप उसको 1 पेज 2 पेज या 3 पेज के हिसाब से देख रहे हो. So
True. Yeah. Okay, the next question that I have for you is, would you rather put in more number of irrelevant hard skills, or would you put a mix of hard skills and soft skills in your resume?
Soft skills is something that I've not heard a lot of people talk about. I don't like, okay, so maybe when I join the job or when I'm interviewing, soft skills matter in the way that I'm speaking and all of that. But how would it, I feel like it wouldn't make sense on a resume.
Okay, Hina.
Okay, so over here I would love to correct you. The reason being, soft skill is the main skill.
Yeah.
Right? Hard skill, अगर आप let's say software engineer हो, you can learn that. अगर आप graphic designer हो, you can learn that. Obviously, soft skill भी आप learn कर सकते हो, but the soft skill could be carried forward.
Yeah.
Right? Soft skill की वजह से कई बार interview आपको मिलता ही नहीं है, मतलब you even not get to sit in the interview, right?
Okay.
अगर आपके सॉफ्ट स्किल अच्छे नहीं है तो मे बी आपको हायर रोल्स के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलेगी.
Yeah.
सो सॉफ्ट स्किल इज extremely important as compared to hard skill. I'm not saying कि hard skill important नहीं है, but soft skills are very important. Whether it is leadership skill, whether it is communication skills, all those kind of skills are very relevant.
Yeah, and I also feel that irrespective of the role you're applying to, always maintain a balance between few soft skills and few technical skills, because today no job role, especially with AI coming in, is only technical or only managerial. Every recruiter wants कि जिस बंदे या बंदी को मैं hire कर रही हूँ in the company या कर रहा हूँ, they have a blend and they come with a holistic profile, right? You will ultimately manage people someday. You will give presentations, so they want people who have good soft skills as well. Yes. Okay, now the next question that I have is, would you add your social media profile links on your resume or not? Since digital footprints are important today and personal branding is something that's become integral even in the employee-employer scenario and dynamic.
So I have a public profile and a private profile. So
Okay.
I think because I maintain a creator profile and it shows my editing, my shooting skills, I
Yeah.
think I will definitely add my Instagram public profile. I think it also acts as sort of portfolio for me.
True, and also if you're applying especially for podcast host roles
Right.
or anything on the more creative, in-person, on-ground role,
Right.
it'll actually help her. But do you
Exactly.
think, Hina, if it's a role other than a creative role, it should still be added? For example, if she's applying for a social media manager at a big MNC, should she still add her social media links?
I think she should add her portfolio, right? She can actually add her YouTube or Instagram as well.
Yeah.
But if she's applying for, some other roles, for example, coding, in that case, I would prefer adding the
GitHub repository link.
right?
Yeah.
So it depends कि आप किस role के लिए apply कर रहे हो, and
Yeah.
आप अपना project या अपना जो भी skills है अपने project से कहाँ पे showcase कर रहे हो.
Yeah, even for graphic designers, video editors,
Right.
portfolio link, it could be a Google Drive
Google
link
Drive
also.
link as
That's
well.
not a problem.
Correct.
Yeah.
So yeah, we should have those kind of a skill.
Yeah. So it depends on the role.
Role, right.
ठीक है, perfect. So it's very visible and very clear कि भव्या की skills में या experience में या qualifications में कोई problem नहीं थी, but the problem was in the way she was displaying it on her resume. So it's very important that your resume does not just look good, but it's presented in the right format.
Right.
And for that today we have tools like the AI Resume Maker by Naukri 360. And Bhavya, that is exactly the tool me and Hina wanted to share with you and talk to you about. What we can now do is, since you have a laptop with you, if you can quickly just go to the Naukri 360 website, right? You will be able to go to their landing page. If you can just go to Naukri 360 and select Resume Maker or Resume Pro, right? So as everyone can see, this is the Naukri AI Resume Maker. And what essentially happens here is when you will go on to the landing page, it'll ask you to enter all of your details, right? That you add on a typical resume, which is your education, your work experience, skills, projects. It also has a sections feature where you can add sections which are relevant to your profile, may not be relevant to someone else, right? Whether it's languages, certifications, etc. And I need you to fill this up very quickly, Bhavya, because we're going to do a before-after transformation of your resume. We've already done a review. Me and Hina looked into your previous resume. There were a couple of inputs we gave you. Now we'll use Naukri 360's AI Resume Maker to transform it into an ATS compliant, more structured and visually representative resume. Yeah. Okay. Could you just add on your details? Sure. Yeah. You can also use AI, by the way, for everyone else. You can just add some details of yours and leverage the AI feature to generate your professional summary or profile summary. However, if you want to type it manually, you can do that as well. It's totally up to you. Like Bhavya is currently mentioning her social media management experience and all of her other experience that she has.
It's quite interesting.
Yeah, this is very interesting because I also feel like she was saying, right? Sitting down and making 100 resumes is not the key. Go to tools like these and keep changing your profile summary or your skills as per each resume. Just tweak a few sections,
right,
and everything else will be done by the tool.
Right.
So I just typed in 2 lines and I wrote right with AI because I really don't know what else to add.
Yeah.
And it has
generated
a better
pretty good profile summary.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Could you read it out, Bhavya?
So it's changed it to dynamic social media manager with 2 years of experience in developing and implementing effective social media strategies, proficient in managing creator collaborations and overseeing the entire content creation process, including scripting, shooting, editing.
Yeah, which actually talks about what you exactly do.
Right.
Yeah. Skilled in enhancing brand presence, driving audience engagement, and optimizing content for various platforms.
Yeah.
Adapted using analytics to inform decisions. So I feel like maybe this bit I wouldn't want
to, yeah.
So I can just remove
it.
Yeah.
But the part before that
is all relevant. And if you can, just add one more data point in what is already generated by AI, because it wouldn't know the results you've driven, right? It cannot populate data that's not fed to it. So if you want to add some numerical achievement, that'll just be great in the existing profile summary only. To just enhance it, है ना?
Right. एंड आई फील ना कैंडिडेट जो है वो रिज्यूमे क्रिएट करने में बेचारा इतना टाइम ना स्पेंड करे इंस्टेड ही और शी शुड स्पेंड टाइम इन इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन एंड वो सारी चीजें
इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन
एंड विद एआई टूल्स लाइक दिस आप आराम से अपना रिज्यूमे क्रिएट कर सकते हो.
इनफैक्ट आई आल्सो फील you can still spend more time on perfecting your bullet points in the experience section, adding data where necessary. Baki kaam heavy lifting AI will do.
Exactly, right.
है ना?
So I added that bit where I took a social media page ka followership from 2,000 to 10,000 followers.
Yeah.
So it has taken that bit and put it very strongly, demonstrating strong growth and community building skills.
Yes.
So I think that does the job.
That's the job, yeah. Bhavya, now that we have created a new version of your resume, पहले आपका resume बहुत different था. Now we saw a cleaner, more structured, ATS friendly resume format. Tell me कि what do you think has significantly changed? Which section do you think is standing out the most now? And also, do you feel that this version is more aligned to the kind of roles जो आप job market में apply करना चाह रहे थे, which is social media manager or community manager or something in that field?
I think the one problem that I had with changing my resume was the fact that I feel like it will dilute the personality and the creativity bit. But I feel like this template, because it looks neat and clean, it also has my picture. That bit doesn't happen, so I think it still does the job. And like you guys said, there were typos in my earlier resume. There was a professional summary without any numbers.
Yeah.
And if an ATS tracking system really does track all the keywords and data points that are
Yeah.
required to help me get shortlisted, then I think this is a much better improvement. And
Yeah.
I still feel, in terms of aesthetics, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look boring. I feel like it still does the job pretty well as
Yeah.
opposed to my last one.
Sure, but the most important question, क्या आपको लगता है आप और confident हो to go out in the job market and apply and send this resume version to recruiters?
100%. I feel like because with this template, not just that it adds all the skills in one place, and also I feel like I can keep coming back and keep changing it because there are a lot of free templates.
That's, yeah.
So I can just custom make my resume for, say, social media management versus content management versus script writing. So I can just do that.
Because you can
with-
always go to the,
Yeah.
AI resume maker by Naukri 360. Go there and add your skills relevant to that role. Tweak your project section a little here and there, profile summary, and you have a customized resume for each job role, right? So 100 resumes is not what you have to make. Perfect. I think with that, it's time for the final key takeaways from this episode. I want to thank everyone who's tuned in till this very part of the entire show. In today's episode of Naukri 360 presents Career Ka Control Room, we majorly have concluded on these 4 things, which is number 1, your resume has to be extremely specific and customized to the kind of roles you want to apply to, and it needs to be positioned well. So it's more important about how you position what you know rather than what you know, right? The second takeaway is that your resume is not just a biography or your entire history. It's a role specific pitch that you're sending to a recruiter. The third one is it's extremely important that your resume does not just look good aesthetically and it's visually pleasing. आपका resume ATS friendly होना and recruiter friendly होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. दोनों चीज़ें. You're dealing with a human element and a bot element both, and you have to cater to both in today's job market. And lastly, leverage tools like Naukri 360 AI Resume Maker that will bring down the effort that you put into customizing a resume every time you're applying to a job. They'll give you ready-made, handmade templates that suit Indian recruiters and will give you resumes that you can make within seconds, download and add to your profile, right? So start leveraging these tools. On that note, if you are also someone जो struggle कर रहा था with their resume, आपको interview calls नहीं आ रही थी, आप बहुत जगह अपना resume भेज रहे थे, and your resume was getting stuck at the ATS scanning stage only, I'm sure this episode has given you insights which will take you further in your job process. So all in all, to sum it up, sometimes probably you're not getting your interview call, not just because you don't have experience, but because you have not positioned your experience properly. It's all about what you present, how you present and highlight. And I think Hina and I both have tried our best to be able to help Bhavya out also. And I hope this helps other aspirants like Bhavya.
Right.
And thank you so much, Hina, for being on the episode. I gained a lot of insights as well. And yeah, that's it for this episode. But for everyone, stay tuned. We're going to have a lot of other episodes coming up where you will keep learning hacks and tricks to be able to upgrade your job search and career journey. So that's it for this one. But before you leave, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who may be struggling with actually creating a resume. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.